And when you look at the Boomertech side, the S191 machine's been one of your most successful machines, and you're producing up to 80 machines for last year, for instance. But there's something new coming, isn't there, from the factory here?
This is right. Boomertech is a little bit another world. I mean, Boomertech is, first of all, a small type machine tool manufacturer coming originally from the watch industry. And through the years, we've been able to develop the business of Boomertech in the medtech industry and as well in the aerospace industry from some specific application. We were very much focused on not only industries, market subsegment, but application groups. I mean by that, workpieces. And yes, this is right. I mean, Boomertech is on the way to launch future bestseller. I'm 100% convinced of it.
Right, okay, so you've got a huge range. What's the USP for this brand then? What do they do and they do so well?
I think what they've done, they've taken the lessons of the established builders in Taiwan and Japan and Germany, and they've incorporated all those new features, including the styling, which has got to be said is incredible, on the actual guarding. And they've incorporated all those features into their range of machines. I think they've done really, really well with them.
Now you've started to bring these into the UK. This one's already sold, and the next one's already sold as well. Why have they sold so quickly, Steve?
I think because obviously this platform of machine with the offset sub spindle is the only machine that has that facility within the Nakamura range, and it's a perfect stepping stone from that twin spindle to twin turret configuration. You know, people that are looking at a twin spindle that are teasing on twin turret but probably haven't got the budget of a twin turret, this is a real nice halfway house to break customers into that market.
And because he also said to me, this was one of the first machines that you got, and the performance of this is incredible. You know, contouring, surface speeds, for a machine that was, I think, was 1997.
That's 97, yes.
And do you know what, Alan? I used to sell those machines, and in 2001 I sold a 2-metre portal, and I remember at the time competition was fairly limited then. And in fact, this is the 2-metre version, isn't it?
That's correct, yes. That's the 2-metre. Again, your limitation is your Y, but we do a lot of jobs on that machine as well.
Offer sizes on the machine as well. Can we start again? No, okay.
Hello everybody and welcome to the MTD CNC live stream. It's our first at Mac 2022, and we are back. We're on the Shunk stand, we are on the Do-Guard stand,
Chester machine tools.
we are on the NCMT stand,
I'm feeling good, we're here on the Akuma stand.
the Sodi Tech stand, we are on the Heimberg stand, we're of course on the Heimer stand, we're on the Makino stand,
On the Hoffman Group UK stand.
we're on the Matsura stand, oh my goodness, we are on the Ceratizit stand.
I'm going to be talking to Nick Peter, Tony Pennington, Dave Note.
John Drover, the sales director from Hexagon.
For many people listening to this podcast, tell the audience exactly what you do and what you make, because we know it, but they won't.
Well, we're a general subcontractor. We make anything that will come through the door that we can put on the machines. We do a hell of a lot into the rock crushing industry and the hydraulic industry primarily, but there can be machine builders, there can be people walking through the door to some maintenance jobs and anything that we can.
Now I know you said to me earlier on that it's always dangerous walking around Mac. It's you tend to get your wallet out and buy a new machine. But do you know the Grob technology on the machines?
Yeah. I've been following Grob on your social media channels and various other things for a while, and it's up on the wish list. A little way away, but it's on the wish list.